Hello, ladies and gentlemen. There's Nam up on the roof, and he's cleaning the roof with a blower. So there's a lot of leaves on this roof. It's a pretty high up roof, so I guess he's tied off with a rope. But this is a pretty steep roof here. That he, these leaves. That's why it's good to get the leaves off, because the moss grows under the leaves, and the roots of the moss get under the tiles, and it can cause dry rot. And so that's why, even though the moss looks good, it's easy. Window cleaning. There's Nam up there. So, okay, good job, Nam. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay, over and out. Peace.